Stunning custom-built lakefront with 100 feet of waterfront with private launch and covered boat parking. Amazing outdoor living with dock, patio, waterfall and pond. Open floor plan, floor-to-ceiling windows, main lake location. Double door entry, high ceilings, formal dining room and living room with gas fireplace. Updated kitchen with handsome wood cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, gas 6-burner Viking oven with professional grill hood and exhaust. Spacious bedrooms, luxury master suite overlooking the lake. Oversized deck to enjoy lakefront living, sunrise to sunset. Notables include new Roth Oil tank, propane gas-driven generator, public water available in the street, gas line for barbecue, architecturally designed waterfall with stream back to lake with pump, no filter needed. Lake water pump for irrigation, main lake location, deep water swimming area, approximately 9 feet at end of dock. Off-street parking for approximately 15 cars.